Hi guys, and welcome to Roblox, and I'm here with Miles Plays.
Hi.
And as you can see, we're having a pool party.
Yes, a very, very peaceful pool party.
Hey,
Welcome to Brookhaven.
Actually, today, what we're going to be doing is, we're going to prank people by putting random signs up in the pool and pretending like we're dead.
Don't worry, there's way more. It's gonna be a lot more fun. Okay.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a lot of things
So,
today in this video.
To start, let's do the ball.
No, we're already here. Let's do this.
Okay. Alright. So.
Alright, just plant yourself.
Alright, so what you wanna do? You wanna go? I cannot. So earlier we were doing this in the vault, and people would open it up, and yeah, it was funny.
Do we have another victim? Let's see.
It's a very, very peaceful pool party.
Yes, one person came by earlier, and then they didn't expect this. Then we just started crawling on the.
I'm not even
near
the.
Hey, look, we have more victims.
Oh no, we do.
Yeah, look, the guy in the car. He just left. He just left the game as soon as he saw us. That was hilarious.
Broken server. Yeah, so the bomb blew me away. I'm coming.
Hey, look, there's someone over there. Wait, Miles, don't, get back in the pool. You're gonna
This is so funny.
You're gonna make yourself obvious.
Come to the pool party.
You just said help. I'm ... I mean, it's a little weird, but
this is kind of boring, but whatever.
Oh, we don't care. We're gonna kick our shotguns out. Draw attention to the place. Real good. Get back in the water! Get back in the water! Someone's coming.
I tried the jumping board, but it broke. The jumping board broke. There we go. I said the jumping board broke.
I'm just chasing after this person. No. They're just on their skateboard trying to get away from us. Wanna come to the pool party? Pool party.
This is so funny.
Pool party.
Come, child.
Pool party.
Okay,
Oh my gosh.
If somebody
This woman on a wheelchair is literally shooting the girl who's not on a wheelchair.
Okay, so
Pool party. You wanna go to the pool party?
it's just funny because
I'm gonna like bait her into the pool. Get in the pool! Get in the pool! In the pool.
okay.
Get
Wouldn't
in
it be
the
funny if
pool.
someone who's in the game finds our channel and is just watching this video right now? It's like
Come to the, they're just like, no.
Go to the pool party.
Come to, it's fun. It's fun.
Okay, we really need to stop.
It's fun. Wait, I can't read.
Yeah, but you can spell. This is awesome.
Or you're moving.
Alright, here it is. Miles Plays, 40 subs. I will be giving away a phone, so you want that? Subscribe. When you subscribe, you immediately are entered. So yeah, there's that too. Also, what was it?
Come.
Also, I'm planning on getting an Xbox, so I'm able to do videos like this. So that's gonna be fun.
Come to the pool party, Allie.
Also, are you able to do multiplayer on Xbox without paying money?
Come to. I think so. Pool party, Allie.
Lily?
Come to the pool party, Allie.
I don't think you guys can see it, but I just was flung out of the world completely.
Come to the pool party, Allie. I'm terrifying her. Okay, alright, I'm ready. Alright, let's get serious and go in the vault. Let's go in the vault.
Okay, I just fell through the room, just blew up.
Allie, you should come to the pool party. It's gonna be fun. Come to the pool party. She literally put, let her can survive anything on her thing. I believe your fear. Your fear.
Dead person. My favorite color is the number 9.
And you know that why I'm cackling so loud? Is because we're terrifying this one little child who's on it.
I'm actually kind of sorry for him. Like,
I know.
I'm really not.
Yeah, we don't need to be sorry for him.
Alright, let's actually roleplay, and I'm going to my house, okay? I'm gonna pretend we're semi-normal.
Nah, why would we need to do that?
Good point.
Alright, let's go to the vault. Go to the vault.
I'm at my house. Let's normally roleplay, okay?
Come on, dude.
Why?
We're the dead souls of the pool.
Yeah, but we're no longer going to the pool, Lily.
We're drowned souls. We can't be undead.
Also, how do I rob a house?
I go into the house and you take from the vault.
Well, how do I take down the vault?
I don't know.
Got my teddy bear.
Hello, Miles. You wanna go to the pool party?
There's no entering my house.
Let me in. Let me in.
I'll unlock it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. No! No!
Hello! How you doing? I'm not sure. I'm here. You ready to go to the pool party? Ready to go to the pool party? Let's go to the pool party. Let's go to the pool party. It's gonna be fun. Alright, stop. Alright.
Yeah, stop.
Alright, let's go to the vault. Let's do the vault, because I have a devious idea.
You're locked in. I ain't dealing with you.
But
No,
if I'm locked in, then you're dealing with me.
No, I'm locked out.
Wow. You know, you realize that I can just do this.
You little!
Alright, wait, don't kill me. I'll let you ride in my limo.
How could I deny that? I deny it.
Ice cream truck? I got an ice cream truck.
Cool.
Oh, this is a better idea. Free ice cream. Alright, this is a great idea. Alright, Miles, hop in as a dead body. Hop in as a dead body. Hop in the ice cream truck and like turn it, like do the hurt motion and then hop in the ice cream truck because we're about to go have an even better idea than the other two. Come on in, come on.
No.
What's our...
Fine. You're not supposed to kick me out because they're not. Oh, maybe they did.
I think you should just probably get out of their house.
Good idea.
Where'd you at? Oh, hello. Okay, become dead body and hop in the ice cream truck.
Never!
Hop in the back. Hop in the back as a dead body in hurt motion. Come on. This is a great idea, and you're just gonna annoy them to the point that they ban you. I'll just get out of here. It's not your house.
Never! I'm never, ever.
Miles, like, seriously, they can report you.
They can, but what do they report me about?
Breaking into their house and blowing it up.
Never, ever leave their home.
They're being... Okay, please stop, Miles.
There's nothing they can do.
Ban him? Exactly.
Never.
Get out, Miles.
I'm never, ever going home. And there's nothing they can do because I'm holding the door open.
Except...
What? Except what?
the carry request.
No! Never! No!
Miles, you have to get out of there. Get out of there. Okay, just come on. Hop in the ice cream truck.
You don't have roommate permission.
Miles, like, seriously, please. I'm begging you to get out of there.
They gave me roommate permission.
Just so you could get out.
Are you kidding me? They left the game.
Okay, Miles, can you get in the ice cream truck now? Come on, I have a good idea.
Fine.
Alright, just do the hurt motion and get off a wheelchair and then just lay in the back.
I didn't know I was in a wheelchair.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. Let me see. Hurt.
Yeah, just hop in the back.
Wait, 1 second.
Oh, sorry. Alright.
Hurt?
Now just hop in the back.
Okay.
Are you in?
Sit.
Well, are you good?
I'm in.
You're in? Alright, let's go. Now, put up your sign.
Okay. Wait, what does my sign say? I'm gonna write die on it.
Sorry.
Alright, do I get out?
Get out, yeah.
Hi. Hi, yeah. She said, can I have my...
Sure, one sec.
Can I have
1 second.
Scream!
Sure, 1 sec. I gotta go grab it from the ice cream store. Here, 1 sec. Okay. I'll give you a birthday cake because I can.
You went to the ice cream? Oh, she took your car.
She what? It was an accident, probably. Sure, 1 sec. Here's ice cream. Here, ice cream. Give her ice cream.
Get ice cream,
As I just eat it. As I eat it in front of her.
That's so awesome.
I did it. I gave it to the... So, King Chocolate Chip? Okay. Alright. That's sure.